First and foremost, I've been an athlete my entire adult life. So my relationship to food became more and more integral to my identity, really, in understanding how it implicated my own health.
The nutrition program prepares students to make an impact in the world by improving people's health outcomes, and it's ideal for those who are curious about how foods affect health performance.
The study of nutrition is the study of food more broadly and the way that it weaves itself through different communities.
At the undergraduate level, we offer 4 options for nutrition training: dietetics, nutrition and health sciences, nutrition in food service, culinary and food systems, and a nutrition minor.
Nutrition's accessible. I mean, every single one of us has a meal every single day, but the decisions that we make to feed ourselves are completely linked to all of the different pieces of society.
We also offer a master's and PhD program in nutrition research, which provides students with a deeper understanding of nutrition and the skills to carry out independent research.
If there's one amazing fact about Oregon, it's that we can grow most anything year-round. So from a nutritional and a food system standpoint, it's an amazing place to study nutrition. Oregon State is pretty steadfastly committed to alleviating a lot of the burden on less advantaged communities.
Becoming a nutrition student at OSU is a really great idea because you'll learn important skills that can help you in your future, helping others improve their health.
We have an amazing set of nutrition programs and extension, from food security, food waste, to nutrition education.
We have a really supportive community of students. We have a cohort model where you'll get to know your fellow students really well.
As I started to learn more and more about nutrition more broadly, I started to recognize the inextricable link diet has to health, and health has to people's potential to thrive.
Nutrition is a particularly strong stepping stone as it enables them to develop holistic expertise in how the human body works and interactions with diet, which can inform their future practice.
I had the ambition to draw a lot more of that health accessibility, and nutrition is by far the most personal way to promote health.
After graduation, they're really well prepared for master's and PhD programs in nutrition and related areas, as well as medical school, nursing school, physician assistant programs, and pharmacy school.
It's pretty fantastic to be able to say that before I've even earned my degree, that I have, to some extent, I have made an impact in some people's lives through the power of nutrition education.